In this video, I'll show you how to convert NotebookLM's infographics to PowerPoint. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, this is NotebookLM and I'm going to be using Tenoshare's PDNob to convert our NotebookLM infographics into PowerPoint. Now, please take note that this is more or less of a paid feature using the OCR feature in Tenoshare's PDNob. So please take a note of that. The file we're going to be working with is this particular PDF, and I'll just double click on it, and it's just a file on 8 subtitling jobs you can get to hired for using a subtitle edit. Now, what we're going to do is just create the infographic first. So I'm going to go into notebooklm.google and just click on try notebookLM, and right here you can see the notebooks that are featured, what you've worked on, and I'm just going to click on create new. And from here, it's going to give you a new prompt to more or less add your sources from the web. You can upload files from websites like YouTube, Google Drive, or copied text. For this video, I'm just going to drag and drop this particular file right there. And this is the sources section. And then this is where you get more or less the chart with a couple of different things right here that you can work with. Now, for our infographic option, it's right here. If you can't see it, the studio is collapsed. Just expand the studio and you're going to see it right here. It's still in beta. And what I'm going to do is just click on this particular arrow for us to actually customize the infographic for other options. So you can choose the language. I know this is in English, that is the source. And I also want a landscape. You can also do the auto selection, sketch note, kawaii, professional, and all that. I'll leave it in the default. As for the details, level of detail, concise, standard, detailed, I'll leave it as it is. But you can always describe the infographic you want to create, but I'll leave everything as it is and just click on generate. Now, please take note that depending on your sources, this may take a while. So I'm going to go back to NotebookLM right here, and I do have one infographic I've created right here, and this is what we're actually going to use. And it's right here. As you can see, it's indicated by the more or less bar charts here, right here, or graphs or whatever. Just click on it, and it's possible for you to appreciate an infographic that is made just from that source, and you can expand or collapse depending on what you want. So this is what we're going to be working with, and as I mentioned, we're going to be using Tenoshare's PDNob to convert our infographic right here into PowerPoint. So I'm just going to click on the 3 dots and download, and you can also click on the 3 dots here and download as well. So it's already downloaded, and we can navigate to the downloads folder. Let's just refresh. We've got it right here, and this is the file we want to convert into our PowerPoint that is editable. So I'm just going to right click on it, convert to PDF, and this is using Tenoshare's PDNob, and it's going to be opened up, and you'll take a note that it's going to inform you that this is a scanned PDF. Perform OCR to make it editable and searchable. So I'll just click on perform OCR, and it's going to give me a new dialog box here, OCR PDF, the output format, scan to editable text, or scan to searchable text in image, but I want scan to editable text, and the page range is all pages because it's just one page, and the document language is in English. So I'll just click on perform OCR. It's going to process this so that we can have editable text in our document right there. And once it does that, it's going to convert this particular PDF or infographic into a PDF and create a new page, more or less a new PDF right there. So you can actually change these to like 7 ways or whatever. Maybe you want to add some more. And for this, we are going to click on save, and it's going to prompt us to choose a save location. I'm going to choose in the PDFs section and just click on save, and it's already saved as a PDF. So it's good to always take a note of that. And you can always now click on edit, make edits. For example, we can actually delete this logo right there, but we don't see the NotebookLM logo right there, and click on Control S to save. Let's assume you're done saving, and as I mentioned, we're doing how to convert NotebookLM presentations or infographics to PowerPoint. Just click on convert, because now we want to convert this PDF to PowerPoint, and you can now see a new dialog box with all the things that we need. PowerPoint source directory, just click on convert. There we go. That's the status. It's done, and we're now going to get a PowerPoint presentation. If I just double click on it, it's going to open up in Microsoft. Let's just close this, and as you can see, everything is now editable right here. The images may not be really editable because we're working on the OCR for the text right here. And that is how you can use Tenoshare's PDNob to convert NotebookLM Infographics to PowerPoint. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.